Hey YouTube, it's BMXKID643 and this is my new bike check. Basically, whole new bike. The only parts I still have on here from my last bike are the bar ends, pedals, front rim. Well, I never showed you guys the front rim, back rim, and the kit, but I'll start with my new parts. For grips, I have purple Shadow Little Dirty grips. For the handlebars, cyan, blue, demolition, PA bars. Primo Annihilator stem. Primo strand forks. I have a Colony headset. My frame is a premium Gutter Shark. It only weighs like 3 pounds, 12 ounces. I have Shadow Penumbra seat, Odyssey Trail Mix pedals, DK Social Cranks. That's a profile spline drive, 25 tooth chainwheel. Primo hub, demolition rim, proper hub, proper rim, shadow chain, and I have one link that's like really messed up, but besides that, it's ready to go. Tell me what you think.